Nigeria is a country of extraordinary diversity. More than 200 million people, hundreds of languages, countless traditions, and among its most influential people are the Igbo and the Yoruba. For generations, conversations about these two groups have often focused on their differences: political differences, cultural differences, regional differences. But something remarkable happens when you look beneath the surface. Something many people never stop to notice. The deeper you go, the more similarities you find. And those similarities may tell us more about Nigeria's future than all our differences combined. Travel through Igbo land, then travel through Yoruba land. Pay attention to the conversations. Listen carefully. You will hear a familiar theme: progress, opportunity, success. They believe that tomorrow can be better than today. In both communities, hard work is not simply admired, it is expected. Children grow up hearing stories of people who started with little and built something extraordinary. The trader who became a business owner, the apprentice who became an employer, the student who transformed an entire family through education. Different languages, the same dream, a better future. And perhaps that is why both regions have become economic powerhouses within Nigeria. Not because opportunities were handed to them, but because generations learned how to create opportunities for themselves. There is another connection, one that runs deeper than business: family. In both Igbo and Yoruba cultures, family is more than a household. It is an institution, a support system, a safety net, a source of identity. Success is rarely viewed as an individual achievement. When one person rises, the expectation is often to lift others, to help younger relatives, to contribute to the community, to ensure future generations have opportunities. This spirit has quietly shaped countless success stories across Nigeria, and it remains one of the strongest bonds shared by both people. Look at the cities. Look beyond the buildings. What do you see? You see ambition made visible. Cities that never stop moving. Markets that never seem to sleep. Businesses opening before dawn. Dreams being pursued long after sunset. Whether it's Lagos, Ibadan, Aba, Onitsha, or countless growing towns across Nigeria, the same energy appears again and again. An energy fueled by determination, by entrepreneurship, by people who believe growth is possible, not someday, but today. History often highlights conflict because conflict attracts attention. But history also contains cooperation, trade, friendship, migration, partnership. For generations, Igbo traders traveled west, Yoruba traders traveled east. Families settled far from their ancestral homes. Businesses were built across regional lines. Communities learned from one another. And quietly, far away from politics, ordinary Nigerians continued working together, building together, growing together. The headlines rarely celebrated those stories, but they happened, and they continue to happen today. Perhaps the most important question is not what Igbo and Yoruba people have done in the past. Perhaps the real question is what they can achieve together in the future. Because the challenges facing Nigeria do not recognize tribe. Infrastructure challenges, economic challenges, educational challenges, development challenges, and neither do the opportunities. The future belongs to those who can collaborate, innovate, build, and imagine something bigger than themselves. The same qualities that help both people thrive separately could help Nigeria thrive together. Yes, the Igbo and Yoruba are different. Different histories, different languages, different cultural expressions. But difference does not mean division, and diversity does not erase common ground. Because beneath the accent, beyond the tradition, past the stereotypes, you find something deeply familiar: a commitment to family, a belief in education, a culture of enterprise, a determination to succeed, and an enduring hope for a better future. More alike than different. Perhaps that has been the hidden bond all along.